Hi guys, so welcome back on my channel. Today is the 2 months after we've been here in the Highway 60 Ottawa to whatever west, and we are located at this location. And maybe remember in March we put down the tree. This is our 1 tree logs here, and we came today to set up again the sawmill frontier, and I'm happy with it. We put uh, new blade on it, put the tension on, and everything is ready to set up. Maybe you remember I had a really hard time to start the machine. It's a good machine, it's a good engine, and it's Briggs and Stratton. I like it, it's powerful, but I had problem to start it. Why? 2 years were sitting old gasoline in it, and somehow it turned on the water, and water came with a contact with the spark plugs. Never start. Now after 2 months I'm going to start, see what happened. If not, then I have to pour out the uh, old gas out from this small reservoir carburetor, and after that, if it start, if it's not, well, we put a fresh gas. Then if it's running, my plan is today to resaw the logs. Uh, yeah, this one here. It is ash wood, and I need a quarter cut, 4 by 4 inches, so maybe 5/8 thick of the boards, and long as it is, maybe 8 feet plus. Okay, so let's back and start the Bridge and Stratton engine and see if it starts. Now I put it on, put the choke on, open the gas. This is close position, this is open position, choke, and I will see what happened. Okay, okay, let's see. No, nothing again. Same thing probably. No. There could be. Okay, let me do two things. First, pour out the gas and see if the. Oh, this is dry. We don't have gas. Okay. I'm getting tired. When we set it up, the rails, nice and level, shim it and make it straight and nice both ways, a level position, and this should be work. It's nice weather today as compared to last time we've been here In March it was crazy cold and rain. Today is beautiful, even hot, but I like it. We had the issue with the water to put a water reservoir in the tank because the lake nearby was frozen. Now we have enough water. Okay, let me see. Is it here? Might be also some kind here. This is emergency stop. It never worked before at the beginning, but I don't know. It was disconnected. If it's a problem, I'll connect the back the wires to see if it's okay. All right, gas open, choke is open. Okay, I put the choke in out position first. Yeah, coming on. Ooh, sorry. I don't know, should I go? No. Yeah. Okay, so that sounds better. Good. Let me check the blade. How the blade is running. Okay, come around. And meanwhile, I will watch and check the blade if it's all right. Go and slowly. Go. Go. Steady. Go on. Oh, I'm checking if the blade. Keep on. I'm checking if the blade has a motion. Very good. Very good. Stays in one line, straight line. So that's full speed. Excellent. So that's the thing. Let it run for a while. Now let's do and have a look on the timber wood to see which one we are going to start with. So this is like the middle one. I don't like this one. This log is not that good. So this is nice. Take that water, put it on the side. So what I want to, meaning water cut, I don't want to see this grain like this. I won't see the grain like this. When I bend the wood, so the grain by grain together, so it like water cut. So this is what I am going to do. I'm going to saw it here and saw it here. Take that middle part out and then turn it around and cut it the way here. Okay, so maybe you should help me now and put your camera a little bit away on the side. Okay, still safety, everything was on. Now this is perfectly set. I'm going to put the log blockers. Maybe it's too high, I don't know. Okay, so first log, I need your help. Thank you. Okay, this is the board. I'm going to cut it half, but As you can see, this is too long. The holder, the holder piece, the metal holder holding the board is way too long, so it's going to be like 6.5. Okay, so I need to replace it and put a shorter one. Okay. This is the attachment which holds my board straight and steady while I am milling. Again, it has to be under 6.5. And good. So my 6.5, it's here. That's the middle. So the attachment has to go underneath. One more time. I don't want to make any mistake and cut it through the metal. That would be really fun. But still, I'm going slow when I come to it, so I can look at that and I can stop the. Okay. Checking other side. It should be nice and straight. I can even check it with the level. The level is pretty good. No, it's a little bit too much. Yeah, it should go like that. Okay, I need to put it. This is nice and level. I'll go a little bit lower. Not bad. Perfect. So when I level it, I know the cut will be square. Hello? Hi, Peter. Where are you? A Bancroft. Okay. Okay, we are already set up here. As you can hear, my engine is running. What? Oh my goodness. So how much time you lost? Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. No. You are good to come over here, so I have a gasoline. No problem. Good. OK. My sme tu, Peter. My sme tu a začíname rezať. Dobre? OK. See you. Dobre. All right. Thank you. Bye. He forgot wallet. He doesn't have a driver license and no money, no nothing. It's okay. The owner of the property, by the way. Okay, for this I need to use the marker. Okay. Still I can see it, but it's better than. Okay, now I'm going to stop the engine because I need to hook up the little hose, which is my lubricant for a saw. Good machine. Love you, money. Okay, bricks and stratum. This is really good machine. Now, okay, let's hook it up. The little zinzik on it. Okay, maybe you know what? Maybe I'm going to use some clip to stop the water. Yeah. Okay. 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 Get me the inside the cabin is the clamp, like small red clamp. It's not really small. Or maybe in toolbox, Philip. Yeah, I can use this one. Yeah, orange one. Good. Yeah, it's okay. I don't know. All right, that's on. Let me pour some more water in it, and let's do it. So once we have this cut, then we can put them together and resew it like for a 5/8 thick. My boy, okay. Oh yeah, we ran out of water last time and was never nowhere water to get. This property has no water, so I'm glad I brought it some bucket. And my leg is good. Thank you. Ready to go. Oh, sorry. Okay, come over here and tell me when the blade reaches the mark. When the blade reaches the mark, tell me. Stop. I'm going to drop it down. Okay. Or higher. No, lower. The marker should be essential. It's too low now. Aha! Aha! We have to go. Okay, I think I need to go one more cut on top to take it off. A little bit, like maybe 1 inch, maybe 3/4 of inch. Okay, somewhere here. Feel it. The first cut. Okay, you tell me. Okay. Huh? The first cut is doesn't matter. Okay, I need to lower it because there is too deep. I can probably go maybe 5 inches. I don't know how much. Okay, that's good. Pretty good. Non si vede da po', per gli ricorrere. Okay, right here. More. Good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so I think I can cut it one more piece, like 5/8, and see. Yeah, that's the middle one. like this. Yeah, go. Okay, cutting like butter. I tell you what, new blade makes difference, man. So this is the piece I want to achieve. Okay, nice. That smells good. Smell it. Wow. So okay, so these grains are good for me. Uh, so when I'm bending, it's all right now. Okay. So I'm going to put the now I put them two together and see how it goes. Okay. Thank you for now.